Let's solve this question. The sum of all the solutions for x in the equation x square minus 8x plus 21 is equal to modulus of x minus 4 plus 5 is equal to. So to find the solution of this equation, first we need to get rid of this mod. And I know this mod can be open in two ways depending on the expression inside the modulus. So if this expression, if x minus 4 is a positive number or equal to 0, then this modulus will open with a positive sign. So first condition is, if I am taking x minus 4 as positive, which means x will be greater than or equal to 4, then this equation will become x square minus 8x plus 21 is equal to x minus 4 plus 5. Mod sign is open with a positive sign. So this equation will become x square, take x to this side, minus 9x, and this is 1, so 20 is equal to 0. This equation can be factorized as x minus 5, x minus 4 equal to 0. So I get solution of this equation as x equal to 5 and x equal to 4. I have assumed that x is greater than or equal to 4. So both these cases are acceptable to me. Second, or if the case is that expression inside this modulus is negative, which means x is less than 4, then this equation will become x square minus 8x plus 21 is equal to this mod will open with a negative sign, so plus 4 plus 5. Now take x to this side, rearranging the terms, this equation becomes minus 7x 9, so plus 12 is equal to 0. This equation can be factorized as x minus 4, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So solution for x from this equation I get is x equal to 4 and x is equal to 3. But I have assumed that x is less than 4. If x is less than 4, then x cannot be equal to 4. So the acceptable solution in this case is x is equal to 3. Now what is asked? The sum of all solutions for x in this equation. So sum of all solutions of x would be equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3. That is equal to 12. So correct answer to this question would be option C.